One of the most common issues that teachers face during a semester is a lack of time. To solve this problem, many teachers resort to big blocks of direct instruction. After all, there's so much content to teach, and lecturing is a way to cover material quickly. However, direct instruction has some major drawbacks, like a lack of student engagement and a decrease in student passing rates. So, teachers need to find methods to reduce lecture time and increase their use of active learning strategies, which are much more effective. Today, we're going to discuss one easy way to do this: guided notes. This process is extremely easy. In an electronic document, type out or copy and paste your notes for your lesson. Replace the most key parts of information with a blank space. Don't take out more than 20% of the notes or you'll be defeating the time-saving purpose of this technique. Then, print off a copy of the notes for each student. Thank you. You can save yourself time by printing whole units at once. Thanks, Grabo. Lastly, hole punch the copy of the notes. Cha-ching. So students can store them easily in their binders. Before you begin your next lecture, tell students that you've done a majority of the note-taking for them. They will only need to fill in the blank spaces. But here's the catch. They're the most important parts of your lesson, and they'll definitely need to record that information to succeed on your assessments. Once students begin using your guided notes, you can go through your lecture quicker. Students will need less time to write, and they'll be paying attention to the most critical pieces of your curriculum. Most importantly, you'll have more time to implement much more effective teaching strategies, like active learning.